Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. Okay, so I want to quickly teach you some very nice major scale stuff. Major scale you can put into your playing, and then also jazz and gospel chord progression. So I'm going to be in the key of F. F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F. Right, so it goes like this. You can just do this anytime, maybe pastor is preaching or you want to start a song. Or so what am I doing here? So I'm going to show you that very fast. But then if you've not gotten my intermediate piano course, it's shown on the screen. All those syllables, I taught them in a 2 hours video where you see the chords, you see the virtual screen, you get the PDF and everything, and it just goes for currently also a promo price of $7,500 for people in Nigeria, and then $12 for people overseas. So if you want to get your copy, my contact is on the comment section. Please chat me just because of that. God bless you. All right, so look at it. Right, so it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you do that on your right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the left hand you hold 3, 1, and 2. So that's A, F, and G. So then the next move. So the next move to go to 4. So the chord progression is 3, then 4, then 5, 5, then 6. So there are jazz songs that use this chord progression, but you find it mostly in gospel music, right? So it goes like that. So the next chord, you hold your 4, B flat, and F. So when you do 4, 3, 2, then you do this hold and drop technique. So what are you doing here? You're slowing 6 to 7 back to 6, 1 to 2 back to 1. So together it goes right. All right. So then. So you do to 5, 5 and 2 on left, on right you do. So you do your F and A, then to E and G. But you do, so you slow the D to the E also while holding the G. You can see that. So then right. So the last move here, you do 6, 7, 1. Then you hold this gospel contemporary chord, which is your 6 and your 4. So we have a D and B flat. So together you have a. So you can do that on any key. Right? C sharp or the key of C. Right, you can do that in the key of A also. And so on. God bless you. Subscribe to the channel for many more chord progressions like and piano chord lessons. And don't forget to chat me up to get your intermediate piano course. You want to play chords like this? Just chat me up. God bless you.